Heroic is really something special. It gave a framework that provided literally a cheat code for personal and professional development and mental performance mastery. My name is Gina Karnishovas, and I found Heroic in 2021. In my work as a mental performance coach, I work with athletes, coaches, high-level sports executives, etc. And I wanted to be able to grow my practice, quite honestly, and learn some new tools and strategies, which is what inspired me initially. I actually got so much more than I bargained for with that in terms of my own personal development and moving forward with the growth of my business as well. My experience was absolutely incredible and quite honestly life-changing. Well, I was fortunate enough to be in the Heroic Workshop Trainer Certification Program, and I had a phenomenal teacher named Adam who led our group, and I was surrounded by 10 other absolutely phenomenal people that were in my group as well. Together, we supported each other through a process of growth in terms of growing our own confidence to present in front of other people, to kind of activate our own goals, and created a roadmap to sort of move toward those goals. That was pretty amazing. I made connections with people that I think will be lifelong and will continue to have an impact on my life from this week forward. I feel so much more inspired, and I have so much more clarity about really what I want and then the steps that I'm going to take to get there. Heroic has the capacity to help people reach their goals, but then redefine their potential.